welcome back to my channel. I hope you are healthy, wealthy, and happy in your life. So, today I came up with a very luxurious perfume, and it's one of my favorite brand called Gucci. So, Gucci has a designer fragrances, then it has a niche collection like a private collection, or I can say retail. Travel exclusive collection. When I say travel exclusive collection means you can find it on airports. You can find in the Gucci boutiques also, but something which is not very easily available everywhere. Like it will not find easily in like Sephora. No, in duty free is it available? So, but UA is the place because people are fond of like very much of perfume. So in Sephora also you can get this collection. They have all the niche collections in the Sephora as well. So this one, if I talk about this collection, first of all they have a very pretty bottles. And second thing, the names. My God, each bottle has a very unique, very fascinating and eye-catching name. Like I remember the bottles name, like they have a black collections of bottles, then they have a white collection of bottle. White collections are like more soothing, more calm. And on the other side, black collections is like more heavier ingredient, more intensified. So I remember the bottle's name, like they have a Tears from the Moon. Wow. And I remember it's their bestseller also. This perfume is their bestseller as well. Then they have Where My Heart Beats, The Last Day of Summer, Winter, Spring, and in the black bottles they have Midnight Stroll, Voice of the Snake. Voice of the Snake is also one of the bestsellers from the this collection. Even this one also, A Reason to Love, which is one of my favorite. Then they have Heart of the Leo, which is I think it's newly came. Then they have Vanilla Frenzy, Osmanthus Nectar, like these kind of very eye-catching names they have, and they are inspired. I know the salesperson was telling me the stories also. So it was, and every bottle has a very unique symbol of them. Like Tears from the Moon, I remember they have a kind of uh, how I say it, like the when butterflies before the when they are it is about to bloom, the butterfly before there is a also I leave it, I forget what it's called, when it's about to bloom from its previous structure. So it has like these kind of structures on the bottle. Like this one, A Reason to Love, has a sun. Sun, yeah, it means it shows like the love, very breathtaking, the passionate love, like it's a fire, like that, something like that. So that's how every symbol has a meaning on the bottles. But let's talk about this one, A Reason to Love. First of all, why I picked this bottle, because I feel that what you need in your life sometimes you can get it by the surroundings. You manifest. Like I always see this bottle, and whenever I'm getting ready and I see A Reason to Love, it always gives me a very nice smile. A reason to love. Okay, wherever I'm going through, I know I need to find a reason to love my life, to love myself, to love my loved ones. That is also the reason. And the second thing, the ingredients, it has a very amazing notes. So it has rose damasca, which is a Turkish flower which gives a very rich floral herbaceous notes to this perfume. Then it has oud accord. So oud accord provides a very complex structure, and which gives a very long lasting to the perfume. It has a very warm ambery notes. It gives a very spicy leathery facade to the perfume, and also gives a very hint of deep dry woodiness to the perfume. Then it has a toru balsam, which gives the perfume a very, I can say, musky, peppery, peppery effect, and also it makes it sweet and make it like you give a very vanilla kind of fragrance to the perfume. So once you spray this fragrance, you can feel it's very, very intensify. It gives you very solar energy. When I say solar energy means, something which is give you a fire kind of energy in yourself. This is a bottle which is, very much pulsing with passion, I can say. And I know one story regarding this fragrance also. When I had a fight with my husband, so it's like it never happens that we are fighting more than 2 hours or 3 hours, we are not talking to each other. But one time it's been already 3 days and we are not talking to each other. So what I did, I sprayed this perfume on myself and I put this bottle in front of his eyes. And he just looked at the bottle, he read the name, A Reason to Love. He smiled on me. He looked at me and he smiled. That's how, then and there, the fight is finished. So sometimes, the surroundings, this kind of things help you a lot. No matter how much you're fighting with your loved ones, but you always find a reason to love. Love again. And that's how I think this bottle is inspired from, and that's the reason I buy it. You should also try this one. The fragrance is amazing, and see the structure of the bottle. It has a golden designing. How luxurious it's look, right? And yeah, and I think this bottle cost you around 25 to 28,000. I bought it from Abu Dhabi and it cost me 1200 dirhams approx, which is same like 25 to 28,000. Yeah, it's a pricey bottle, but it's worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. I love this fragrance. So if you like to try this bottle, comment it down below and try and let me know how do you feel about it. If you get a chance to try, just give a hand to this one. Thank you. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.